What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 27th of May. We're going to take a look at some Coreum. C-O-R-E will be the ticker symbol for today's crypto. Coreum. We are on Coin Market Cap at the moment, guys. Welcome to the channel. So take a quick look here at the Coin Market Cap data. We'll take a look over at UpHold, talk about what Coreum is, and then we'll take a dive into the charts. So guys, over here on Coin Market Cap, Coreum is ranked at 3644 on Coin Market Cap. We have a $103 million market cap for this project, so it's not that big. Looks like the circulating supply 500 million, 24-hour volume sitting at just under $100,000, 98,105. So CORE is the symbol here for Coreum. Excuse me. If we head over to UpHold, you can buy Coreum on UpHold. I have a link down in the video description if you want to open up an UpHold account. Appreciate that, guys. So CORE, what is Coreum? Coreum is a layer 1 proof of stake, in quotes, POS, blockchain developed by the Coreum Development Foundation. The blockchain was designed to cater to enterprises mainly through the integration of the following three features: smart tokens, ISO 20222 compliance, inter-blockchain communication compatibility, IBC. The Coreum blockchain has been under development for a couple of years. The Deviat network in development stage launched in 2021. Their mainnet experienced by users is set to go live on the 24th of March, 2023. To celebrate the launch of their mainnet in March 2023, the Coreum team organized a series of airdrops to Coreum, Solo, and XRP holders. Brief background: Coreum was built by the same founding team as Sologenic, SOLO, an on-demand tokenization service and decentralized exchange built on the XRP ledger. Let's see, Bob and Reza, I guess that would be pronounced, are respectively CEO and CTO of both Sologenic and Coreum. Sologenic is set to integrate with the Coreum blockchain so that the users trade their assets on both the XRP ledger and Coreum. So very interesting here. Like I said, you can buy Coreum on UpHold if you are looking to get into this project. So guys, let's head over to I will leave a link to this page as well if you want to check it out. Let's head over to the charts, see what's going on recently with Coreum. Quick look at Bitcoin. So stock markets are closed Monday. Cryptocurrency markets, of course, can continue to trade around the clock. What a great thing. So far, looks like we have a nice little double bottom. Took place on the 25th. We are 2 days into a move higher. Resistance at the neckline here from this head and shoulders, this topping pattern. We'll see how far this goes. Does it roll over, or does it breach higher back into that 28,249, guys? So we've been watching this neckline for a while. 28,249 as our first overhead target, but it's very important that these levels hold. So far they're holding double bottom, moving higher. If they don't hold, guys, it's a move potentially down into the 24.8 level. If not, 22.5 is pretty much the next line in the sand for Bitcoin. So pretty important. Keep your eye on Bitcoin, guys. Coreum continues to, this is the Coreum daily chart, Gate.io, guys, tradingview.com. Coreum continues to put in what? Lower lows. So far, let me scrunch up this chart a little bit for you. So far, Coreum has not been able to hold the 21,200 support level. That's this white line on the chart. It held for a little bit. You know, it got tested on the 15th, 16th, a couple times over here, middle of May. Nice support on the 22nd. Basically ran out of steam on the 23rd, rolled over, and it looks like today we could be putting in a new low. So that's unfortunate for the Coreum holders. If you're looking to buy in dollar cost average at a lower price, well, you might welcome chart action like this. Let me see if I can make this a little bigger for you here. So you can see we don't have a new low yet today, but we are heading down 1.51% this morning. Yesterday's low was, let's see, 2,200. Today's low, we're basically on the low tick right now. It's 2,406. So we're still in a downtrend, guys. We continue to make lower highs and, unfortunately, lower lows. So we have a major lower high here on the 9th, another major low high here on the 7th of May, and then put in another lower low yesterday, the 26th of May. So we'll see if today puts in another lower low. Now, of course, there's still a chance that we could move up here, regaining the 21,200 level, and maybe start to put in some higher highs. But it's not looking too good. Coreum doesn't look like it's found its bottom yet. Guys, below the market, 14,700, 0.14700. Right here is my next potential support area. That's quite a bit below the market. It could happen quick. We could all of a sudden see this thing. It could happen today. We'll see. All of a sudden, you know, it's kind of hanging out, going sideways, and then boom, the bottom falls out. So in a way, that could be good because that could lead to a major bottom, and then we can finally start to move higher, creating higher highs and higher lows. So when these cryptos and stocks get quiet and trade sideways for a while, usually there's some kind of a pull the plug event, the bottom falls out, it'll hit some major support area. In this scenario, it's 14,700, and then we could actually rally, start our rally. So we'll see how this plays out. So from where we're trading at today, what, like I said, is 2415. If we take our percentage and move us down to our target down here at 14,700, that's a 28% move lower, guys. So that takes Coreum down to 14,700. Not saying it's going to happen. No guarantee. It might not. We could find support somewhere in between 14,700 and then our 21,200. But more than likely, this level will come into play, and possibly a little higher, maybe into the mid to low 15 cents. So not quite following what Bitcoin is doing, which is, you know, slowly moving higher, at least the past couple days, but overall choppy to down. So we'll have to see if we, for some reason, decide to move higher from here. Our next target, like I said, is at 21,200. That's about a 3.5% move higher. And then our next major target above the market, above our 21,200, is 29,500. That's right here. That's a 45% move higher from where we are currently trading at today. But Coreum, guys, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and yesterday put in a lower low. So we are in a major downtrend. Looking for a change in trend. A change in trend can happen with two things. One, it'll create a higher high and then pull back, creating a higher low and then rocket. We're looking for that higher low to take place. Or number two, another way it could happen is it can create a lower high, but then a higher low, and then a higher high. So either scenario can play out, and it can happen quick. I mean, we could be sitting, where we're at now. Maybe some news comes out, whatever the case is, some big whale steps in, and all of a sudden you get a higher high, but it, goes up 30%. So it doesn't always happen, in small steps. And if you've been around crypto, you know that, guys. So that is my thoughts on Coreum. Unfortunately, the trend is lower. I did reach out to UpHold and trying to figure out what's going on here with the receiving the airdrop, the Xcore and the Coreum for anybody who held X amount of XRP on an UpHold account during this snapshot. So far, I have not seen anything, but I will get back to you guys when something shows up from the UpHold support team. They have been great in the past. You guys let me know your thoughts on Coreum. Do you think the price is heading down to 14,700? Do you think that we're close to a bottom and we're going to start to regain the 21,200 and make our way up here to 29 cents? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I look forward to receiving the Xcore and the Coreum, but so far I have not received those. You guys have a good one. Thanks for hanging around. Welcome to the channel. Take care.